Hey guys, welcome to Ryan TV. I'm Ryan Senaka. Alright, so I'm in front of the Ichiran Ramen restaurant. Well, Ichiran is my favorite ramen restaurant. So in this video, I want to introduce Ichiran Fried Rice. If you like Ichiran, you know that they don't have a fried rice. So I'm gonna make one in this video. Of course, if we get into the restaurant, we can't have a fried rice. So we have to go that way. Let's keep straight. Let's go. I know, you are like where Ryan is going to, right? Still keep walking this way because, oh my goodness, this place is too noisy. Well, this is the Pachinko street in the Dotonbori, so this place is really noisy. So anyway, this is what I wanted to say. We need the ingredient to cook the Ichiran fried rice, right? You guys will see where I'm heading to. Let's keep walking. Alright, here we go. So I'm at the Don Quixote. Yes, this is a really popular Japan discounted store. They have so many stuffs. If you want to buy some souvenir and some food, just try this place. Anyway, so I need to buy the ingredients. Let's get inside. Alright, so here we go. Yes. So this is the one I wanted. This is the Ichiran instant noodles. So I'm gonna make a fried rice with this Ichiran instant noodles. So recently, this way of cooking gets so popular in Japan. So I wanted to introduce how to do that and then how it tastes like too. So compared to other instant noodles, this one is a bit expensive. This one costs 370 Japanese yen in Don Quixote. The regular cup noodle is about 100 Japanese yen, right? So it's about 3 times. But if you want to enjoy the Ichiran quality's fried rice, I think we'd better use it. By the way, yes, Don Quixote, they have so many kinds of stuffs. So, I highly recommend this place. Let's go to the cashier. Well, before going to the cashier, I want to have a drink too. I'm gonna grab this. Look at this! Karaage senyo means for karaage, which is a fried chicken. Well, I'm not gonna cook karaage today, but you know, fried rice is like a fried chicken, so it's okay. It's only 99 Japanese yen. So let's get this one as well. Alright, so I got the Ichiran's instant noodle and a drink. Altogether, it was 508 Japanese yen. Well, thinking about for the instant noodle, I think it's a bit expensive, but it's okay. So let's go home. Alright, so I came back. Well, I haven't shot the video from here for a very long time, so I guess you guys miss Raichu. Anyway, so those are the things I bought. Ichiran instant ramen. If it's only the Ichiran's instant noodles, it's gonna be too simple. So I got this at the supermarket. It was 200 Japanese yen. So those are the 2 things that I'm gonna use. The one is Ichiran instant noodle and then the other one is chashu pork. So anyway, let's cook!
before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Ta-da! Here we go. Yes! Finally! I made it! It smells really interesting. I cook it with the Ichiran noodle, with Ichiran soup, and then Ichiran's powder. Technically, this is the Ichiran's fried rice, right? So let me try it. Itadakimasu. Oishii. Maybe you guys can't believe it much, but actually this one is tasty. By the way, let me drink this strong zero for karaage. Kanpai. So good. So next, let me try with this chashu. Woohoo! You can enjoy tonkotsu flavor of the Ichiran soup plus with this chashu pork. It's perfect combination. Maybe this one looks so weird to you, so that you don't want to try that, but actually this one tastes really good. Pretty sure if you like instant noodle, you like it. I really like this, but it's spicy. Ichiran Ramen is really spicy, right? Karai. Well, spicy in Japanese, karai. Can you guys see my sweat here? I sweat a lot. Well, if you like spicy food, definitely you will like this fried rice. Hey Raichu, do you want to try? Nah. Spicy. Well, I like spicy food, but I guess this is too much. I don't think I can finish this, but let me finish this. Still, it looks pretty good, right? Spicy. Spicy. Ooh, oh my goodness! Can you guys see how I sweat? That was super spicy, but I really liked it. Well, I think it's much better compared to regular Ichiran's instant ramen. So if you got this kind of instant ramen, try to make the fried rice. That would be really tasty. So this video pretty much that's it. I usually make good and inexpensive restaurant guide videos and the Tokyo and Osaka travel guide videos as well. So if you are thinking of traveling to Japan or you like Japan, please check my other videos and please subscribe to my channels. Alright, so arigato. So see you in the next video. せーの、ガオー。